Hi.
happy. We are so happy. We found the keys. We found the keys. We found the keys. We are here now at the shop. We just opened the shop. I'll just try to take you guys through whatever that we're doing now. We're gonna just draft everything down the chart to see where everything's gonna be and just have an idea of how we're gonna put everything together in the shop. I'm so excited! Okay guys, see you later. See you later. I'm about to do some work. Bye.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
To show you how to achieve this look. Hi everyone. That was a nice stroke. It's time for us to go look pretty. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hello everyone, Balisa here. Hello, Balisa here. Welcome back to my channel. Hello, your girl Balisa here. Hello, Balisa here. Welcome back to my channel.